G'day guys, I wanted to share with you a messy play activity using jelly and baby link. So I had some jelly that was past the best before date, so I thought this was great to use it in an activity for Sophie. So I made up the jelly and then washed off the baby links and popped them into the jelly and then put it in the fridge for 4 hours. I used the yellow jelly instead of red because I thought it'd be easy to come out of her clothes. It's the middle of winter here in Australia, so I've just rolled up Sophie's sleeves so that she's still warm. But if you're doing this in summer, you could definitely strip some clothes off and make a real mess. You're pointing in the middle of the links. Yeah. Ta. Oh, we're back in again. And as you can see, it was worth it. If you want to know some other uses for these baby links, then I've got a video right here of some mum hacks for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.